That's right, it's that time of the month again, guys. It's the meetup time. Guys, if you're a public adjuster, contractor, roofing contractor, attorney, or anybody in this industry, and you're looking for a place that you could sort of fit in, talk shop, and meet with some like-minded individuals, guys, you have to come out to one of the meetups, all right? Next one is going to be in Jacksonville at Dave & Buster's on May 7th. It's going to be killer because it's going to be a mix of happy hour and also actual education. We're going to have seats for you to sit down. I want you to bring your notebooks because we've got 3 amazing speakers. I'm going to be speaking, and I'm going to be talking about the importance of value to make sure you're bringing optimum value to your clients. We've got Randolph Love, one of the guys that I respect most in this industry because he's always constantly learning. He's a professional, educated, and super expert when it comes to public adjusting and insurance. He's going to be talking to you about duties after the loss, making sure you're doing what you have to do. And then we've got our wonderful sponsors. Thank you so much to Matthew and Shanna Collet of Collet Law. They are sponsoring the entire event for you guys so that we could all have a great time and learn a lot. And they're going to be talking about compliance, teaching you all public adjusters and contractors to making sure you're doing what you have to do to make sure that claim is set up and prepared and you provide everything that you need to provide to the insurance company. So come out, guys. It's a movement, all right? Come join the Commercial Claims Advocate Meetup movement. It's growing. I think you're going to have a great time. I promise you're going to have a great time. You can meet me, we can talk shop, have some drinks, and learn something. So we'll see you there, guys, May 7th in Dave & Buster's in Jacksonville. See you there.